Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the Refractometer Clinical. The product code is IC300005. The IC300005 Clinical Refractometer is a simple to use optical refractometer for the measurement of urine specific gravity and refractive index. The unit measures urine specific gravity from 1 to 1.05 with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.002. And refractive index from 1.333 to 1.36 with an accuracy of plus or minus 0.0005. In the box, there's a carry case, instruction manual, a cleaning cloth, a plastic pipette, distilled water for calibration, a screwdriver for calibration, a soft carry case, and the refractometer. This features a cover plate, the prism, calibration screw, barrel, the eyepiece with a focus ring, and 2 feet on the bottom of the unit. Looking through the eyepiece, you can see the scale for refractive index and for specific gravity. And that's what comes in the box with the Refractometer Clinical, product code IC300005. For more information on this meter, including a video demonstrating how to measure specific gravity, or to speak with an Instrument Choice scientist for more information, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!